Let's take a quick tour of the virtual balcony room on Royal Caribbean's Navigator of the Seas. This is room 9257 on the 4th deck. The room is relatively small, about the same size as a standard inside stateroom. There's a mirror behind the bed and nightstands on either side with reading lights but no USB ports. Here is the virtual balcony, which is just a large TV that shows various views of the outside of the ship. There's a small chair by the virtual balcony and a vanity desk across from it with a TV. Some simple artwork. The closet by the front door goes floor to ceiling with plenty of room to hang items. It has some wire shelves in it and a couple of luggage racks. There's also a bar on the back of the door you could hang an organizer on. Next to the desk are some shelves to store items and a small safe to put valuables like wallets, passports, and jewelry in, but too small for a laptop. Under the TV is a mini fridge suitable for medication or bottles of water. There are a couple of decent-sized drawers in the desk, and one small one that doesn't quite fit the hairdryer in it. The desk itself has some nice lights, 2 US plugs on one side and a European plug on the other. The bathroom is typically small, but has lots of hooks and bars for hanging towels, bathing suits, and toiletry bags from. The toilet is nicely angled in the corner with the toilet paper roll in front so you don't have to reach behind you. The sink has a surprisingly large amount of counter space around it and a shelf underneath for toiletry bags. The shower is somewhat small but adequate size for showering. It has a built-in bath soap dispenser and, best of all, doors instead of a curtain. I much prefer when cruise ship showers have doors. What do you think? The decor in the bathroom is simple and tasteful, with lots of mirrors and a hidden medicine cabinet behind one of them. All in all, it's a nice room, although I wouldn't pay the upgraded price for the virtual balcony. Thanks for watching.